what's up? My name is Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very glam, very full coverage, very holiday look for you guys. So if you like what you see and you want to see how I got it, then please keep watching. So I'm going to start by priming my face with my YSL Touche Éclat primer. I am going to do my foundation first because I have some friends that have overstayed their welcome. So I'm going to do a very full coverage foundation today. Once that's all worked in, I'm going to take my Urban Decay All Nighter in the shade 5.5 and do one pump of that with a small pump of my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, just because that foundation does oxidize a lot, so it does get a lot darker than my natural skin tone. And then I'm just going to dot this all over. So then for concealer, I'm going to start off with my Becca Under Eye Correcting Concealer. It's just a light pink color, so it's going to cancel out any discoloration underneath my eyes and also really brighten that. So the concealer that I put on top really is just like dramatic. And then for concealer, I'm just going to use my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is my favorite concealer ever. I actually think I like this better than the Shape Tape. And we're going for full coverage today. And then for powder, I'm going to be using two separate powders. I'm going to be using my MAC Patrick Star powder. And then I'm also going to be using my Hourglass Ambient Lighting powder. I'm going to be using the MAC Patrick Star powder on my chin and around my mouth because that is where I'm like breaking out at the moment. So I don't want to put any type of luminous powder over that, because if you put a luminous powder over that, it's just going to kind of accentuate those parts of your face, and you want those breakouts, blemishes to be matte. They'll be less noticeable that way. And then I'm just going to take the Hourglass powder and set underneath my eyes. And then I'm going to take my Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation powder in the color Silk 14 and use my sponge and just go over everything else on my face. So then for my contour, I'm going to be taking my Charlotte Tilbury Bronzing Glow palette, and I'm going to be taking the contour side and really working this into my cheekbones far back. I'm not going to really pull this too far down because I really want this to act as a contour. And then to add warmth back into my face, I'm taking my MAC Give Me Sun and I'm just bronzing the perimeters of my face, my cheekbones, putting this kind of on the apples of my cheeks. So I did my eyebrows off of camera. I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color dark brown, and then I also used her clear brow gel. And now for eyes, I'm kind of leaning towards something a little bit neutral, maybe with like a black like cat eye wing and a little bit of glitter. So let's kind of see where that takes me. I'm going to take my color Blur from my Rust Stack again, kind of just to go on my crease and set that just a little bit as a transition color, nothing too crazy. And then blend that out in windshield wiper motions from outer corner to inner corner. And once I have that in the crease, I'm then going to take my Natasha Denona 28 colored eyeshadow palette. I believe this is her green one. And then I'm just going to take a light neutral brown from that palette and put that in my crease as well. Outer corner to inner corner and windshield wiper motions. And then taking a very neutral chocolate brown and I'm putting that in my crease a little bit lower than the last two colors. Once that's all blended, I'm then just going to outline my crease with concealer and pull it out. So I'm going to do like, kind of like a wing cut crease. And then I'm going to set that with a shimmery cream shadow from this Natasha Denona palette and mix it a little bit with a champagne gold color. And then just going to take a really small fluffy brush with the matte shades that I had used in my crease just to kind of go over that line and kind of blend it in a little bit better. And then I'm just taking a liquid eyeliner . Then I'm just going to take my Heavy Metals Gold liquid liner and line the cut crease. So I did my mascara off of camera. I used my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and now I'm just going to apply my velour lashes. This box doesn't have a name on it for some reason, but if I can find what lashes these are, I'll put them in the description box below for you guys. Oh, the difference eyelashes can make. Oh my god. So now for my bottom lash line, I'm just taking that very light neutral brown and running that underneath my lower lash line, really smoking that out. Then taking the darker chocolate brown and doing the same thing. Then just taking my black eyeliner, running that through my waterline and my lash line. And then applying mascara to my top and bottom lashes and just blending in the false lashes with my natural lashes. I think I want to do a very bright highlight. So what I want to do is take my Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the shade Gold Digger and really tack that onto the high points of my face. And then just take a pencil brush with the same highlighter and pack that onto my inner corners. And then for lips, I just want to take my Kylie Cosmetics lip pencil in the shade Mary Jo K and outline my lips. And now I'm just taking my Too Faced liquid lipstick in the shade Lady So I just took my MAC lip pencil in the shade Cyber World and just outlined my lips. That way it wasn't just like a solid color of red. Gives it a little bit more definition. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. I really enjoyed making this video for you. It's very like Christmassy, very holiday, kind of even New Year's, and I really enjoyed it. So if you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and we can be friends. We can be cool. Bye. And it's all over my teeth. Wear for Christmas because so thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I really enjoy